Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're ready. Open Google Maps and sign in so your saved places show up. Once done, grant location/GPS permission for accurate positioning. Next, type a place name, full address, or paste coordinates into the search bar and press enter or tap the result. You'll see a pin and brief place card. Make sure to glance at the address and photos to confirm it's the right spot before you continue. This prevents wrong turns later. Now plan the route. Tap directions and pick your start point, current location, or a typed address. Choose travel mode, driving, walking, transit, biking, or rideshare, because each mode gives different ETA and lane-level guidance. Once routes appear, examine alternatives and their times, swipe through them to compare. If needed, open route options to avoid tolls or highways, and add intermediate stops to build a multi-stop trip. Finally, preview step-by-step directions, so you know critical turns and transfer points ahead of time. Tap Start to launch voice-guided navigation and follow the on-screen lane guidance and live ETA updates. Make sure your volume is on for prompts. If you need offline access, download the area's offline map in advance so GPS-only navigation works without data. If the route seems wrong, toggle your device's GPS, restart the app, or clear the map's cache. Alternatively, research the destination or drop a new pin manually. These quick fixes resolve most location or routing errors and get you back on track.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.